So today what we're working on is we are actually making a concrete hearth to put the new wood stove on. So last year we learned that we bought a barrel stove, cast iron, and it just had a regular door, you didn't have a window. And we not only learned that it was too low to the ground, but it also didn't let us see anything, and that made it hard. So we've made a few changes. We're really excited about the stove this year. You know, 1 year in, we're just learning. So this is super exciting that today is the day we're gonna pour the concrete hearth. We're gonna get everything ready, get it cured, and then we're gonna put the stove on. And the stove is gonna be able to allow us to cook right on top. And I'm gonna be able to see it. And we have it coming up just a little bit, about 4 inches. So this ought to be good. My name is Jess, my husband's name is Joe. And in case you're just joining us, we are building an off-grid homestead, and we are learning to become as self-sustainable as possible. We're hoping that our story encourages somebody to buy dirt, not diamonds. Welcome to American Roots. So our biggest challenge came when last year we bought a slate piece to go underneath the stove. It was about a half an inch thick, and it really didn't provide anything. It was maybe just a barrier between the floor and the stove. Being that it was so low, it was probably a good thing. But what we realized is that because it was rectangle, every time we came in, we would stub our foot on it. It wasn't conducive to walking in this space right here. So what we've done is we've designed an area where the stove can sit, and it's going to align right up to where the pipe goes. And I am going to take the stone that we had, and I am going to put it on the front to make it kind of tie in. Hopefully this will give us a little bit of storage area of some sort, and I need to get in there and finish putting all the mortar in the back wall. So this is a good time to get this project done.
That's 40, which is 3, 1, 2, 3. Calculate. It's 0.11 yards or 7 bags of 60 pounds.
So we should square it like that and mark it.
Actually square. All right, first pour.
That's 2 bags of 60-pound.
About a bag and a half. I got the rest coming.
Oh, bag and a half. That's what would fit in a 5-gallon bucket. This is gonna make a really nice hearth. Now that's 2 bags.
Now, maybe get the hoe.
So I'm trying to make sure that I get in all the cracks really good. Luckily, it's a small enough space that I can get in there and do it by hand. Thank you.
bag, level it out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe half a bag, but I don't know. Maybe a full bag. I'm worried about it dripping over. So I've got concrete oozing out. When Joe gets back, I'll ask him what to do about that. Maybe I just wipe it up. But it's gonna start hardening, so I guess I'd like to know what to do. Looking good so far. I think this is gonna be a really beautiful hearth.
Don't worry about the water.
Okay.
I'll dry out, and if you need something to do with that.
So it's been a couple hours. It's hardened.
Take this off so we can smooth off around the edges off.
Okay.
So they're not sharp. This I didn't stick very much. Sweet.
Nice.
And clean up the edges. Looks good. Looks prof.
Very nice. There's the hearth. And I'm gonna cover the edges in the slate.
Our first fire.
We probably need to move the boxes of cardboard and
Yeah.
but I do not see any smoke coming out of your pipe.
No.